Hi, it's Dave with Regal Fabric Care here. Just a quick tip on this video. We're using this shirt. This is just a typical men's dress shirt, cotton dress shirt, to demonstrate how you can clean something that's very delicate that you might have in your home or business, something like a piece of drapery or a delicate piece of fabric that you might have at home that's gotten stained. What we'll do here today, we're going to show you that you can use a simple wet vac that you might have at your home, a funnel like this wrapped in nylon mesh, and this is just nylon mesh you buy at any hardware store, made to repair screens in a home. It's very inexpensive. And what you would do is you would put your wet vac, attach it to the funnel, and the screen is so that the wet vac with its power does not pull the fabric in and crease it. So what would you do? You'd simply drape over the soiled area over the funnel like this. We put this on. You can see how it pulls. And then, if you have some detergent, you can see how it pulls it right in. And then you might want to rinse it. Leave the wet vac on for a minute to take all the moisture out. And then you're done. Again, you would put the nylon mesh over the funnel, let it stay on a few extra minutes to get rid of the residual water, and that's how you spot clean a delicate fabric. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We appreciate you watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like it. Thank you.